Did you know that nearly 75% of women in menopause experience sleep disturbances and that stress can make your symptoms 10 times worse? But what if I told you you already have a built-in tool that can help ease the chaos? No fancy gadgets, no side effects, just your breath. It sounds too simple, right? Well, hang with me because I'm about to show you how breathwork can transform your menopause experience, and it starts with just a few minutes a day. I'm Jody, menopause wellness and yoga coach, and today we're diving into one of my favorite tools for symptom relief, breathwork. Whether you're dealing with hot flashes, anxiety, brain fog, or just feeling like an alien is taken over your body, this video is for you. And don't worry, there's no woo-woo required to breathe, just a willingness to try something that's been backed by science, used for centuries, and it might just give you the calm you've been craving. So let's talk menopause, the mood swings, the hot flashes, and the sleep or lack thereof. Hormonal changes during menopause can cause your nervous system to go into overdrive. That's why you might feel wired but tired or have an emotional breakdown because your coffee order got messed up. We need tools that help reset the nervous system, and that's where breathwork comes in. Breathwork is more than just deep breathing. It's a way to regulate your nervous system, lower cortisol, balance energy, and ease anxiety. And here's the science. Studies show that slow, rhythmic breathing can shift your body into rest and digest mode, helping reduce symptoms like tension, insomnia, and even hot flashes. So let's break it down. Box breathing. Box breathing can calm the mind and reduce panic. 4-7-8 breathing helps you fall asleep faster. And alternate nostril breathing balances the left and right hemispheres of your brain, which is perfect for brain fog. Let me share something personal because I've been there. There was a time when I was sleeping terribly during menopause. Falling asleep was hit or miss, and it wasn't the main problem. I was waking up at 2 or 3 in the morning and just lying there staring at the ceiling, feeling anxious, restless, and wide awake. And that's when I started practicing 4-7-8 breathing. And honestly, it was a game changer. I noticed the impact immediately. And sometimes I would start the second round of breathing and that was it. I could feel my body moving into sleep mode and my body finally got the signal. It's time to rest. It wasn't just about falling back asleep though. The more I practiced it, the more grounded and calm I felt during the day. It was like I had this quiet superpower in my back pocket. And now it's part of my daily routine, morning and night. It's one of the simplest, most powerful tools I use for navigating menopause, and I teach it to all my friends and clients. So let's do a simple 4-7-8 breath together. This one's amazing for sleep, calming the mind, reducing stress, and I recommend you do it twice a day. Once in the morning to start your day grounded, and again at night. It will help you unwind and sleep more soundly. It's also incredible, as I mentioned, if you wake up at 2 in the morning and are staring at the ceiling wondering, is this your life right now? You're just gonna breathe it all out instead. The more you do it, the more your body starts to anticipate calm. It's like training your nervous system to feel safe again. And when you make this a habit, especially during menopause, you start to notice this deeper sense of control, like the chaos isn't running the show anymore. You are. So go ahead and find a comfortable seated position. You can also do this standing up if you want to, or you can do it laying down in bed or on your couch. Go ahead and close your eyes. Place your tongue behind the top of your upper teeth and apply very gentle pressure. Inhale through your nose for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale through your mouth for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You'll repeat this for 2 to 4 rounds and do it twice a day, morning and evening, or whenever anxiety or overwhelm hits you or you find yourself wide awake at 2 a.m. So let's do it again together and I'll count you through it. Tongue on the back of the teeth. Inhale through your nose for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale through your mouth for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep your eyes closed and come to a natural breath. Notice how you feel. Do you already feel a sense of calm? Imagine making this part of your daily routine. Try this habit right after you brush your teeth, both morning and night. This technique is called habit stacking. You take something you already do as part of your routine and add another activity on top of it. This makes it so much easier to incorporate it into your daily routine. Breathwork isn't a magic pill, although sometimes I think it is. But it is one of the most powerful, accessible tools you have, and it's free. It's simple, and it works. When you're feeling overwhelmed, like your hormones are running the show, pause, breathe, and reset. If you've tried breathwork before, let me know what works for you in the comments. I would really love to know. And if this was your first time, how do you feel right now? Make sure you check out my other videos on menopause support. And as always, like this video if it helped you, subscribe to my channel, and share your newfound menopause knowledge with your female friends and family. We all deserve to feel our best. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.